Andy Taylor here, Red Rock Roofing at 1715 Parkdale Circle here in Erie, Colorado. I'm going to do a quick inspection video for the roof. So the first thing that I want to detail is going to be the lack of drip edge flashing. Drip edge by code is a 2x2 inch L-shaped flange going over the fascia and then back under the shingle, and that simply encapsulates all the eaves and rakes. Going to protect you from wind-driven rain, ice damming runoff, and ultimately water migration. Now, what we're looking for here is hail. Obviously, it did that to the very thing. Now, this is an older roof. I've been on this roof before. We've looked at this. It's got a massive amount of delamination on here, blistering that's happened in the past and whatnot. So the first thing an adjuster will look for when getting onto this roof to do a claim for insurance is called collateral damage. Collateral damage is simply signs and indicators to the soft metals that a storm has been here. That is a giant hailstone right there. You can actually see how indentated that thing is. Now, once an adjuster verifies that there's been a storm, the next thing they're looking for is called spalding. Spalding is simply when hail strikes a shingle, dislodges the granules to expose the fiberglass undermatting. Now, the way that they classify this damage is within a 10 by 10 foot square, one on each major slope. If you can find 6 to 10 of these marks, depending on the insurance company, then on paper, you gain the eligibility and a full replacement at insurance expense, of course, minus the deductible. Now, I have done corresponding spot checks across this roof. And again, I've been on this roof before to see what it looked like in the past, and I have found far upward of the necessary amount of damage in order to get insurance involved. And I would definitely say at this point that it is time that you know what your options are. For lack of a better term, this roof is shot. It was in bad condition when I was on it last time, but now it's got recognizable hail that insurance will have no problem in buying this roof. So with that, I do definitely think it's time you know your options. In my professional opinion, I think you have an amazing shot at getting this roof approved now, and I would love to help and make that happen by meeting the adjuster on site. Again, Andy Taylor with Red Rock Roofing. I very much appreciate the opportunity to get out here and bring you up to speed. I'm going to go ahead and sign off.